Hi everyone, my name is Gagan Gurli. I am the head of sales at Hitkary Pharma Pvt Ltd. We have onboarded mSELL in August 2021, and since then we have seen a lot of improvement in our sales strategy and manpower planning. We were able to identify the right people at right place and check out the persons who are giving us the fake sales or who are not doing their work or taking their job very seriously. So talking about the benefit of the mSELL app that we have, number one, we can monitor our sales team, monitor their daily tracking. It also helps us to design or define the beats for the salesperson. Uh, then we can always define or have a differentiate between the sellers, wholesalers, retailers, the semi-retailers, and the big wholesalers. So depending, earlier we were not having these facilities. Like a person was going into the market, he was covering the full 40 shops. So we are not able to define or categorize the retailer type. Now with the help of this app, we can easily categorize our retailer, like they fall into the semi-retail category, retail category, wholesalers, or a big wholesalers. Second, it has helped us to incentivize our sales team also. Like earlier, it was totally dependent upon the manager's feedback. If the manager said the employee is good, we have to give them a rating. If the employee is not good, we do not have to give him a. We were not able to give him a good increment or a good incentive. But yes, with the help of this app, there is a total transparency in the system. We can easily track which employees are doing good and which employees are doing better and which employees they are not doing at all good. Which employees are taking their duty very seriously and who are not taking their duties very seriously. They are sitting at home and doing the fake sale. So that's the second advantage of our mSELL app. The third advantage was within the management. We were able to, what I mean is, we were able to design our planning, inventory planning, very smoothly. We know like how much quantity is going to sell in the market, how much quantity is there with the dealer, how much quantity is there with the super stockist. So with the help of sales app, we were able to monitor our sales tracking, and with the help of that, we were able to maintain our inventory. That was the third advantage. The fourth advantage was like they have also provided us their HR payroll app. With the help of that, we were able to design our salary timely. We were able to disburse all the expenses, all the incentives timely, and without any hassle. We do not have to do long calculations. It was all the data was fed in the app. We only have to click a button and get the results. So this was the fourth advantage. On behalf of Hitkary, I would like to say a big thank to mSELL team for timely follow-up and designing the app as per our need, customizing it as per our need, as per our requirement. Thank you so much, mSELL team. Thank you so much for providing us here.